What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we're checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for yet another Icebreaker roller coaster construction update. And right out here in the front entrance area, we can see the lighthouse getting some work.
6 feet between your party and others. Thank you, and enjoy your day here at SeaWorld.
So lots of new painting is going on, and it's looking good. Not much of a wait here at the ticket booth. Security and temperature check was a breeze, and same for the front entrance, it looks like. Yep, no wait to get through, and we are on our way. In our previous updates, we showed you they were removing the Orca photo opportunity spot right here and replacing it with a mural. Well, mural's done. And there's Icebreaker from across the way. I'm not seeing too much activity on site. Operations crew members are there. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Upon closer inspection, we see operations employees over by the maintenance barn and also inside the station, but no train movement. Test dummies are also back in the seats now. New paint has been added to the side of the locker building. And there's the Icebreaker entry sign. We can also see some new paint resembling snow or icicles on the steel frame. Looks like they're also adding it to the frame for the locker area. Altitude Burgers, and it was open this past weekend, but during the week, well, apparently it's not in operation, at least right now. I'm sure once Icebreaker opens, it'll be open all the time. Man, I'll tell you what, the theming for Icebreaker is incredible. They're putting in real ice. Over here at the pathway for Bayside Stadium, well, it's closed off, so no good views today, at least over in that area. Nets are also not in place yet, still on back order apparently. And we're waiting for some testing. All right, should have our first cycle right here. There it is. And it stopped. All right, the ride just reset, and we have a relaunch. Let's try to make it to launch 3, shall we? Yay, launch 3. Let's get over the top. Come on. No, it stopped. Well, third time is the charm, right? Not on this one. Come on, construction ducks. Help me out here. Let's get this ride running. Looks like we're draining all the water out of the test dummies currently. Launch attempt number 4. Will we get it over? It faulted. Attempt number 5. Come on, construction ducks. Help us out here. Let's get it over. Alright, we're resetting. Will this be the time?
Hello everyone, and welcome to Orca Encounter. As you make your way into the stadium, please note that certain rows of seating
This is getting annoying. Blah, blah, blah. Another test run. Come on, don't fault. Get over.
Until about 2 decades ago, scientists didn't know that there were actually several different varieties of killer whales. With effort and observation, however, we discovered that there are
I give up.
how much you weigh. It's much the same with our whales.
Throughout today's presentation, you're Probably gonna have that birthday celebration for her. Now our other two garden family, he's only 15 years old. He's still growing. He's not full grown yet. And right now he weighs about 6.
Oh, it finally made it.
So he is gonna get is our youngest whale. He's actually Katina's youngest son. He is again 10 years old and he was born right here in this front pool. Now one of the most
Well, that literally took several hours for them to get it over, but well, it finally did it, and the train is now transferring over. We're gonna try again right now. Nope, still having some issues, or they're doing fault testing. Either one. It's launching again. It's going over. Train just transferred over, and here we go. Or not. Yet another gorgeous icebreaker sunset.
Yeah, it's like he's running several days.
Well, it's getting closer to 6:30 and I'm about to call it, guys. It's been a long day of waiting just for a few test runs, but hey, I actually enjoyed seeing it run, and we do all of this because of you guys, the viewers. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Thank you, Construction Duck. You were good luck for us today. We've said it before, when there's no testing, one way to cheer up Dan is with pink chickens. Well, we saw testing today, so how do we reward him? Well, still with pink chickens. He's like, come at me, bro. Come at me. And over here, it looks like we have nests beginning to get built for baby pink chickens. Well, guys, that's going to do it for another update here from SeaWorld Orlando for Icebreaker. And we did happen to see a couple test runs, but man, did it take a lot to get there. They were either doing fault testing or they were having some gremlins. Of course, we had some painting going up on the steel for the entrance sign. Signage is up around the entire queue, and operations staff should be taking hold right here very, very soon. Of course, we're going to have more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.